we're going to build the slab on grade. We've opened the Revit project from our downloads and SDC publications. So to access your downloads, you log in, you go to My Library, and then you click on the book, and then you'll see downloads and then the exercise files. So if you download the exercise files, they open up and you'll see the chapter starter files. The DWG files contain all the AutoCAD files that you need to use. There's also some families in here that you may not have, like the bifold 4-panel door. Some of the structure is in here that you need to access, and some of the interior design elements. Actually, we're not going to be dealing with those. Also, the overhang for the exterior of the building is inside this folder. So you really need to download that folder and save it to your student drive or flash drive or somewhere where you can find it. All right, back to the floor. So I'm on the level 1 floor plan view, and I'm in the architecture tab, and it wants me to select build floor. And in the type selector box over here, I'm selecting a 4-inch concrete slab. Please make sure that you're reading all the steps of the directions. They're really helpful. They offer helpful tips instead of just trying to complete the steps without reading. It will be confusing if you do that. So on the ribbon, we want to select the boundary line, the pick walls icon, and then extend into wall. So we've got the boundary line. This is pick lines. This is pick walls, which is selected. And now we want to extend into the wall core. So now we're just going to go around and we're going to select the interior side of each exterior wall. So I want to select the interior side of this wall, interior side of this wall, interior side of this wall. Just keep going around selecting make sure you're selecting the interior side of each wall as stated in the instructions. Okay. Now you're going to see that there is something slightly weird going on over here. We have to adjust this. So in the next steps it says to zoom in on this section. I am going to just pull this back so that it meets that wall. And then I'm going to use the extend tool. So I'm going to come up here to trim and extend. And I'm going to see if I can extend these boundary lines together. I won't be able to actually. I got to pick this wall first. And now I can do it. So I can extend these walls. And we'll do the same thing up here, where we'll just pull this back to meet the wall. I'm going to use the pick lines, select this wall, and then I used the corner trim and extend tool just to select this pink line and this pink boundary line, and then it closes that loop. So now that I've finished creating that floor, you can hit the green check mark. This right here is indicating if the floor slopes, it has a span direction. So don't be concerned about this right now. This floor does not have a slope on it. Green check mark, and then if I look at it in 3D, you can see that my floor has been created. So you just really want to make sure that you're using those trim and extend tools to be able to connect those floor levels.